Hello and welcome back. In the last session, we have seen how to work with numeric data types. In this session, we will take a look at bool, that is Boolean. Boolean data type or bool has got only two values, either true or false. You make sure that the true has got capital T in it and false has got capital F in it. Unlike some other languages wherein small t for true and the small f for false will also work. However, in Python, you need to have true with capital T and false with capital F. Okay, so let us declare two variables. Now, A is equal to true, B is equal to false. So let us again, like earlier, we will print A and print B and print type of A and print type of B. Okay, so let me comment out the numeric part and execute only the Boolean part. Okay, so the first one is printing A and B, true and false. Both of them are of type bool. So this Boolean data type or bool data type is used along with the conditional operators. If I change the value of A and B as 10 and 15, now print A is greater than B. So this is a conditional operator. So this checks the condition whether A is greater than B or not. So this should give us false. So let me execute this. Okay, you can see this is false. If I reverse the condition, then the result should be true. These Boolean types are mainly used with different conditions wherein we get only either true or false value. We will see these conditional operators in the later session. So let us add three more variables. X is equal to, for example, hi, and y is equal to, so let us take 10, and z is equal to 10.45. So one is string, the other one is, these two are numeric types and this is of string type. Okay, so let us try to see what this bool will print. Okay, so bool is a method which converts this string or numeric values to Boolean value. Let us try executing this. You can see X is also printing true, Y is also printing true, and Z is also printing true. As long as there is some value associated with these variables, while converting it into Boolean, it prints true. So let us have an empty string here and 0 here. Re-execute this. Okay, as you can see now X is false and Y is also false. As long as there is some value associated with a string and the value is not equal to 0, if it is numeric, then it will print true, otherwise it is false. So for numeric, 0 means false and any other value is true. And for string, if it is not empty, then it is true. If it has some value, then it is true. So let us try this with 0.0 as well. Okay, now all three are false. So now let us see 1 and 1.0, and let us try some garbage value here for x and execute. Now all of them are true. This is about Boolean or bool data type in Python.